have been recording strange noises like this one in Kiev for some time now. Videos filmed all over the world have appeared on YouTube, the first in summer last year. But no one's really sure what they're hearing. Speculation ranges from cloaked UFOs to military testing, to experiments by HAARP, a US research project that studies the ionosphere. But Nick Pope, who used to investigate UFOs for the MOD, reckons something more down to earth is to blame.
One possibility is that we're dealing with some sort of atmospheric phenomenon involving thunder, but sound can behave in very funny ways, and that's one option. Another option might be power lines. Again, under some circumstances, we know power lines can make a humming and crackling sound, and that may well explain some of these events.
Not since the crop circles of the 1980s, though, has the online community been so excited by a series of unexplained events. But often as phenomena like this increase in notoriety, they can become subject to hoaxing. Next to the more outlandish theories, there are some more mundane ideas as to what's causing the noises. Some have suggested nearby trains might be to blame. However, it's not known whether all the noises around the world were filmed near railways.